Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, Samsung is back in the news again, and this time the news that's circulating is about Samsung actually killing off the Galaxy S lineup. Now, if that's the case, that means that this will be the last of its kind for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, which means that in 2019 they may be calling this lineup the Galaxy X. So my question to you is, in the door, do you think this is going to happen? Do you think there's a possibility, or do you think it's just all rumors and speculations at this point? Me personally, I think it's all rumors and speculations, but is it possible? And anything is possible. If we take a look back when Samsung went from the Galaxy Note 5 all the way to the Galaxy Note 7, would dictate that it is possible for Samsung to pull a move like this. But the question is, does it make sense? I don't think so. The S lineup is the very thing that put Samsung on the map in the first place. It's like your lucky charm. I would not get rid of that. That's even before the Galaxy Note lineup even came about. And the other thing is that we already got the iPhone that came out with the iPhone X. Now we got the Galaxy X. I don't know. Are we following Apple? What's happening? Is it a possibility that this is going to transpire in 2019? I don't know. All I know is that don't get rid of the Galaxy Note lineup. I don't really think that you should get rid of the Galaxy S lineup, and I think that the Galaxy X should be its own lineup. I think it'll work like that, a foldable display that's just foldable for that lineup, and then you still have the curved display for the S lineup and the Note lineup. That's my thoughts. That's my take on this. What is yours? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this would be a good move for Samsung to actually kill off the S lineup, or do you think Samsung should leave well enough alone and just have three separate lineups? The S lineup, the X lineup, and the Galaxy Note lineup. Alright you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.